Right. Well, welcome everyone. This is the Improving Population Health theme session. I'm just going to give you a bit of an outline of what we're going to do in this session. Sorry, we're a little late in starting. There was a bit of confusion as to what Zoom links we were supposed to be clicking on. So my name's Ben Barr. I'm a professor in public health at the University of Liverpool. And I am the lead for the Improving Population Health theme. So I'll just share my screen quickly. So, so I'm just going to go through a little bit about the theme very quickly, and what the sort of program of work is that we're conducting in the theme with our members. And then I'll just outline the session today, what we're going to do, and introduce you to all of the team who are involved in that. So the sort of two main aims of the Improving Population Health theme are to expand effective local public health action on the determinants of health and health inequalities, and build capacity for rapid evaluation of public health action and translating that into practice. At the moment, we've got a series of projects that have come from our member organisation addressing key issues that are faced by communities in the Northwest. So I'll just quickly outline some of those. We've got the work on improving air quality actions, and we've just publishing some work based on that, and that's going to be informing a learning exchange event together with the EPIC theme in June. We've been working on evaluating the Ways to Wellbeing programme. So this is a social prescribing programme in Liverpool focused on mitigating the effects of poverty. And we heard about that in the last ARCFEST. We have a project that focuses on looking at local economic strategies in a couple of different places in the Northwest. Part of that is in Preston, and we're going to hear more about that in one of the sessions in the Preston Community Wealth Building project, and also in Liverpool City region. We're doing lots of work looking at the risk of COVID-19 within places and identifying places that are vulnerable to that Mark mentioned earlier. And we heard a bit about that in the previous ARCFEST. Work on how to better allocate resources for community services and social care at the neighbourhood level to better address needs. Together for an Active Future, which is one of the projects we're going to hear about later today in one of the sessions, which is a programme of work funded by Sport England to improve physical activity. The Network Data Lab, which is a project using some of the linked data across Liverpool to address priority issues. We're also going to hear about in one of the sessions, and also a project evaluating actions to prevent self-harm. So three of those projects we're going to hear about today: the Preston Community Wealth Programme, Together for an Active Future, and the Network Data Lab. The idea of this session really is to raise awareness about some of those projects and to gain insights from yourselves, from members of the public, to inform those projects and identify opportunities for sharing practice and new projects that can expand similar approaches to other members in the ARC. So today, once I've finished this little update, you will be randomly allocated, I'm afraid, into three breakout rooms. The breakout room 1 is going to be looking at the work of the Network Data Lab. Breakout room 2 is going to be looking at Together for an Active Future, and breakout room 3, the Preston Community Wealth Initiative. And there's a whole host of people who are from across the ARC membership who are contributing to the sessions today. I'll just quickly introduce them. So we have Saika Ahmed, who is the public advisor co-lead for the Improving Population Health theme, and the co-lead deputy public advisor, Hina Qureshi, and they'll be contributing to 2 of the sessions. From UCLAN, we have Julian Manley, Mick McKeown, Gurjit Singh, Jess, I think is how she likes to be known, and Yanis Prinos, all from UCLAN, who have been doing work on the Preston Community Wealth Initiative. From Blackburn and Darwin Borough Council, Ken Barnsley, who's working on the Together for an Active Future programme, and together with Sandra Very and Bethany Gill from Lancaster University, and Gwilym Owen from Liverpool University. They're involved in the evaluation of that programme. And then from our team in Liverpool, Lauren Barnett and Roberta Parodi are researchers who are working on the Network Data Lab and will be involved in that session. So without further ado, as they say, we will split out into those 3 groups to have an introduction to each of those projects, and then we'll come back into the main group to have a short discussion before we finish about the sort of key learning points from those sessions. So if we can set up the breakout rooms, Dave and Sam, that'd be great.